Guys, Chris over at AceVacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. We're at 300 Fort Evans Road. Today we're going to talk about our Black Friday sales, introducing our two sharks. We carry three different sharks. You got your Shark Upright, which is the cleaning brush roll that cleans the tear by itself, as well as our Lift Away, which we don't have out here, but it's an all-blown unit, and then our Shark Rocket. These are all on sale for Black Friday. Very lightweight vacuums, easy to use. They are very good with cleaning. They're bagless. Good sales on all Black Friday. They come with all the pre-filters, the HEPA filters. Some of them, they're very lightweight, so if you have a lot of steps in your house and different things like that, these Shark vacuums are going to work great on your home. Pets as well. So if you guys are in the market for a good lightweight bagless vacuum that has good filtration, come see us here at AceVacuums, 300 Fort Evans Road. Like us on Instagram, TikTok, as well as social media and like Facebook and YouTube, and keep up to date with everything that we got going on. Again, the sale is going to be the 25th, the 26th, and the 27th. Thank you guys.